Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn how to make Slingshot Game using Scratch. So first I'm going to make this very rudimentary slingshot. I'll make it brown. Next, I'm going to make the slingshot thing. So there's this thing that actually be used to launch the object. So what I'm going to do, when flag clicked, forever if then mouse down and touching the mouse pointer, and set for this part only a sling. So I'll make a one called sling. This one I'll set sling to 0, which stands for false, and so I'll set sling to 1, which stands for true. If then sling equals to 1, go to mouse pointer, oops, supposed to be set link to 1. Cool. Now it works. Next we need to reset the positions. So I reset the positions. Set position to this. Set position to this. Next, I'll make a new variable called L for the sprites only. Oops, launch, it's supposed to be for all sprites. I'll delete this L. This just determines how far the thing will be launched. I will make a new thing. I'll just make it a tiny dot like this. To determine how far the thing will be launched, you measure the distance from this to the dot. To do that, I need to use so we need to use the Pythagoras theorem. Since I don't see a built-in distance function in Scratch, so basically we're finding the distance of this mouse pointer. Oh, turns out we don't need to use that. We could just use this. Since we're finding the distance from this to the mouse pointer, we could just use distance to mouse pointer. We also need to check whether the mouse is on the left side or the right side. So I'll just say X position greater than mouse X. Oh, if mouse X is greater than X position. Next, I'll make the thing that will actually be launched. I'll make it a long oval. So I'll make a new variable for the sprite only called speed x, and I'll make another new variable for the sprite only called speed y. When flag clicked forever, set launch to distance to mouse pointer, and then check the mouse X greater than X position. Check side. I'll actually name it sued, whatever. To mouse X greater than X position. -1. So if mouse is X greater than the X position, do this forever. When the flag is clicked, it works. So now you can check what side of the mouse we are on. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, Obacode. Bye.